Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're watching. If you're new here, karibu, welcome. My name is Mtalii, and on this channel we talk about all things how to make money online, legit work from home jobs and remote working so that you can afford the dream travel lifestyle. If any of these topics sound exciting to you, then you definitely want to hit the subscribe button below so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first person to know. So without much further ado, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 different YouTube video topics that get the most views and are going to increase your subscriber base and ultimately your income. So this is based out of my own research on YouTube videos that are most viewed here in Kenya and in Africa and most parts of the world. So without much further ado, the number one video topic that has most viewership or is viewed by most people and is likely to gain you more subscribers is how-to videos. And when I talk about how-to videos, is whereby you break down the step-by-step process of how to address a specific pain point. So for example, how to get a job if you are not connected, or how to start an Etsy shop in Kenya, or how to start an Airbnb business in Kenya. So this is basically whereby a YouTuber is an expert in a certain topic or a certain how to do a certain activity, and they break it down for their audience. The beauty with this type of videos is that you are addressing a problem that people are suffering from and want a solution to, and are definitely therefore looking for it online. The number two most common YouTube videos that are watched by most people is celebrity gossip videos. And this, it doesn't matter if you come to the local context, we are talking about the local Kenyan celebrities. If you come to the continent, we're talking about like African celebrities, or just any kind of gossip. For some reason, people just want to know what is happening. People just like to mind other people's businesses. So if you start a gossip channel, then you're definitely going to get a lot of views, you're going to get a lot of subscribers, and that's what I have noticed. All the gossip channels are growing in leaps and bounds. So if that is something that scratches your back, then definitely by all means go and start a YouTube channel and talk about all the gossip in town. You will definitely find viewers and subscribers. The number three type of YouTube video that get most views is cleanings. For some reason I have noticed there's a lot of clean with me kind of videos, and so many people are watching them. So if that is your kind of thing, you like to clean and you like to record yourself cleaning, then by all means start a YouTube channel around cleaning. The number five YouTube topic or video topics that I've noticed gets a lot of views and will definitely get you a lot more subscribers is property shows. This is whereby you go maybe to a place like Kileleshwa, or you go to Kilimani, or you go to Syokimau, or anywhere for that matter, find an empty house and give a tour of the place. So for some reason, people are really enjoying these empty house tour videos. So if that's your kind of thing, then you start a YouTube channel around those topics, or shoot videos around empty house tours. And I've also noticed, other than the empty house tours, there's a lot of people moving towards bed-sitter tours. So if, let's say, you are in a bed-sitter and you give people a room tour of your bed-sitter, or a single room, so basically affordable housing, affordable rental house tours, I've noticed are also getting a lot of views and are likely to get you a lot of subscribers. The next one is long distance boyfriend. If you're doing videos around your long distance boyfriend or with your long distance boyfriend, then you're likely to get a lot of views. So I haven't seen a lot of videos about long distance girlfriend. Maybe there are, then maybe you can just put a link in the bottom below if there's any YouTubers you know around who are shooting videos around their long distance girlfriends, and maybe you can just fill me in, and I would definitely want to watch those. So I've noticed like there's a recent YouTuber that I've been following their story. There's Nairobi. The boyfriend just came into the country, I think a month ago, and even proposed to her. And I have just seen how massively her YouTube channel just grew from the moment she posted her video on the long distance when she was meeting her boyfriend when he had just come in from Russia. So if you're in a long distance relationship and you're looking for avenues to start making money, then you may want to start a YouTube channel around your long distance boyfriend or your long distance girlfriend. The other kind of videos that I've noticed that are getting a lot of views and are likely to get you many subscribers, and if that is your kind of thing, is videos around interracial relationships. So if you are in an interracial relationship and you don't mind putting your relationship on the internet, then you might want to consider that. So that is a topic that I've seen has a lot of interest from the internet. People are interested in following the stories of all these interracial relationships. So if that is something that you think you can create content around, then you definitely have a ready audience that is just waiting to click on the view. And then the other one that I have seen a lot of is product review videos. This is whereby you get a product, you test it, and then you give the specifications and your experience using that product or service. So there's a lot of interest around such, and especially if you're talking about remote working or conferencing type of videos, especially since COVID happened, there's a lot of people who are moving into the remote working or in the online world for the first time, and they want product reviews. And something else I've also learned is that people are more likely to watch a product review video than to watch the manufacturers how to use manual, for instance. So this also comes hand in hand with how-to videos. So you can do a product review of a product you have used or a service, and then find different aspects of how to use that particular item. So I remember I am part of a Facebook group called Home Beautiful, and a lot of people are struggling with their washing machines that make so much noise and they tremble so much, and apparently it's because they didn't remove the shipping pegs that are usually put at the back of the washing machines. And when some posters identified that as the main reason why they were having trouble with their washing machines, and then the question was, how do I remove it? Where is it? So as much as this is something that is clearly stipulated in the washing machine manual of every washing machine, for some reason most people miss it, and even those who read it may not know where to find these pegs. So if you shot a video around how to remove the shipping peg from a washing machine, then I'm certain, for instance, that is a video that a lot of Kenyan people on that Facebook group will be interested in watching. And then I've also seen a lot of interest around, sorry, I have my notes here that I'm trying to read. I've also seen a lot of interest around live alone blogs. So for some reason, there's a lot of people who are living alone for the first time, and they're just vlogging about their daily lives. So if you recently just moved to your own place, then you may want to share with your audience your life living alone for the first time. How do you make money? How do you make your food? How do you do the preps and stuff like that? Is the kind of topics that I have seen a lot of people making. And then there's Q&As. Yeah, those have also become very popular, especially for couples. So the couples are asking each other questions. I have seen, for example, like there's Esther, she's called Esther, whose husband or boyfriend is called Guardian. So I know they recently did like a Q&A, and there's a lot of YouTubers doing a lot of Q&A. So it's something that is also getting very much foot traffic and a lot of eyeballs. So if you want to do a Q&A either as a couple, or if you're an individual YouTuber, you could do a Q&A around the most frequently asked questions. You can ask your Instagram followers or your YouTube fans to ask you questions, and then you answer them through a video. And then the other topic that that get most views is what we call like YouTube SEO topics. So this is basically whereby you go a little further and actually use a keyword search tool to find out what questions are those that people are asking, what are the search terms that people are using on YouTube, and then you shoot videos around those. And like in my case, those are my kind of videos because I prefer sit down videos. They're much easier to make and I use them to address specific pain points that people have. So these are just some of the topics that I have gathered from my own research. Let me know in the comments below if you think there's other topics that are currently getting a lot of viewership on YouTube and they could help some of those, especially those who are upcoming or those who have just run out of topics and are looking for YouTube topics that can help them get more followers, more subscribers, and definitely more income. Well, thank you for staying up to the end. That's it for today. I'll definitely see you on the next one. Bye bye.